Welcome! In this quick guide, we will show you how to book your residential facility and other related facilities through the admission portal. Begin by logging in to the admission portal using your credentials or OTP. Once you reach the student dashboard and complete your enrollment, the post-admission services section will be activated. Proceed by clicking on post-admission services. We are showing the desktop interface. However, the residential and related facilities can be booked through mobile interface as well. Here, you can explore residential facilities, food or meal options, laundry and gym facilities available to you. In residential facilities, the student will first choose a room category such as studio apartments with hot and cold air conditioning, studio apartments with standard air conditioning, standard air conditioned rooms or air-cooled rooms. After selecting the preferred room category, the student can then choose the appropriate seater type. Before booking the hostel, simply click on the View Details button to see the facilities and understand the benefits of each option. In food or meal facility, you can either select a la carte, choice of dishes option, or choose a standard mess plan such as 4 meals, 3 meals or 2 meals. After selecting a standard mess plan, you can then choose the appropriate meal preference from the available options. In case you want to opt for laundry and gym facilities as well, you can select the respective option from the interface. After selecting your preferences, the selected facilities will be available in the cart. You can review all chosen facilities to ensure everything is correct. Once you have reviewed your selected facilities, you can choose the appropriate payment option, that is full payment, minimum payment of 10,000 or any other amount as per your convenience. It is preferable that you make the full payment. However, you can also book all the facilities by making a minimum payment of 10,000 at once. Finally, click on Pay Now to make the payment and confirm your booking. Once you click on Pay Now, you will be routed to the payment gateway. Make sure to complete the payment process by selecting appropriate payment method for booking the selected facilities. That's it! You have successfully booked your residential facility and services. Thank you for watching. We look forward to welcoming you at Lovely Professional University.